Hi, this video is to show you how to create a new SQL Sync App profile. This can be for new users for your first time setup, and this can also be for those experienced users that wanted to create new profile because they have added a new sales channel into their Unicart. So the steps for both are actually the same, and I am here to show you how. Firstly, you'll need to go into your SQL Sync app and click on Manage Company Profile. Click on Create Company Profile. From here, you are required to enter your site and your secret key. For site, put in your official domain name without the slash at the back. And as for your secret key, if you have the secret key, enter it. If you do not know what is your secret key, you can actually email to us at support@sitegiant.my and we will provide you with your secret key. Enter this information here and click on Next. So from here, you are required to enter your company name and also select the stores or the sales channels that you wanted to sync for this store. Once everything is selected, click on Next, and you are required to enter your username and password to log into your SQL accounting. So it is to log into here. Alright, enter the username and password into this column. And for the path, it is quite simple. Go back into your SQL accounting login, click on the three dot button here, and then you can see this panel showing up. Click on this link at the bottom, select the link, copy the entire thing from the path, go back to your SQL Sync app, click on Choose File, paste it in, and press Enter. And you can go back to refer to this link here. You can see that the link here ends with default.dcf. So you'll have to select the same file, click Open, and the path is entered correctly. As for the database name, go back into your SQL accounting login. You can see the databases here, so you will need to know which database is the correct one, and the database name will be at the bottom here. At every database, you can see the very last one, that is the database name. So you will need to remember it and put it in. For example, mine is acc0003.fdb. Okay, make sure it is identical, the capital letters and all have to be the same. Once done, click on Done. Okay, and then the latest company profile that you have created will be showing up here. Select it and click Log On. Once logged in, you will be reaching this SQL Sync App main page. And you can also do further settings such as the general settings and presets from here, and the matching as well, the product matching, customer matching, shipping and payment matching. Alright, so this is the steps on how to create a new company profile in your SQL Sync app. Thank you.